and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikkel, for those of you who are joining me for the first time. It's the first video for 2019 and I'm so excited. I'm finally getting down to business, and this year I want to create a lot more content. So I'm really hoping that I have time in between my campaigns, in between campus work, in between my daily life, church life, just to get time, you know, to sit with you guys and just create some content for you guys. And this year I want to just kind of bring everything together, kind of focus. So this year I'm going to be doing a lot more hair tutorials because it's what I enjoy and it's a lot of the videos that you guys have been requesting. So that's what I'm going to focus on for this year, and I'm so excited to get started. It's going to be amazing, and I'm so excited that my first video for the year is a hair review video. Wow guys, I've actually been so productive for this year. Almost 4 weeks in, and I've already got 2 videos up. I'm so proud of myself. So proud of myself. That's the way you start a new year. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. I've got a really exciting review coming up that I'm gonna share with you guys. It is the new GHD Glide. Now I just want to mention that this video is sponsored, but my views are not. So in simple terms for you guys, I have not been paid to talk good things about this product. It was sent to me by GHD South Africa. However, it is an honest review, and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on this product, my honest thoughts on this product, and yeah, so that you guys can decide for yourself if you want to go out and buy it. The GHD Glide is available from February 1st, which should be the day that this video is releasing. So you guys should be able to go out right now and go and buy this this GHD Glide. It's a hairbrush. So I got this little pamphlet in my press drop, and I just want to pick up on a few things that they've mentioned on here. So if you guys want to go out and buy it, just before I review the product, the optimum styling is 185 degrees, so that's the optimum styling temperature, and it's using their ceramic technology. If you guys know what GHD's technology is, if not, you guys can go read up on the GHD technology that they use on the ceramic technology. It's available for 2,100 Rand. Some salons I think may have it more expensive than others. That's just what I've experienced personally, that some salons do put up a little bit of they make a profit on the product. So I think certain salons you will find it for 2,100 Rand. But yeah, that's available from February 1st, today, and it's available at the finest salons. And if you guys want to go to ghdhair.com, you guys can go and check that out. And it also has an automatic sleep mode. So let's unbox this right now. My voice is already out the door. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this right now and plug it in and show you guys. It comes in this really nice box. I plan on keeping it in this box simply because it'll protect it, but when you open it up, that's basically what it looks like. It looks like just like a brush, and it has the GHD button right over there. I know a lot of bloggers and stuff, they read the product manual. I'm just gonna wing it. Yeah, so I'm gonna plug this in right now. It comes with about, I think, a 1.5 meter cord, so it's a pretty long cord, and it has a swivel motion right here so you don't get tangled up. So let's switch this bad boy on and see what this thing does. Okay, so I've just switched it on, and as you can see, the on button kind of like flashes on and off like it's breathing. So I don't know if it will make that noise like a normal GHD does, because it didn't make a noise when I switched it on. So I'm not exactly sure when it's gonna be ready. Maybe the light will stop flashing, but let's see more or less how long that takes. So I'm going to undo my hair. This is second day hair, so basically last night I washed it, I blow dried it, I put in a little bit of volume spray on my roots because I have a real problem with flat hair. So this is basically second day hair, and it's still flashing. So this side is cold, this side is starting to heat up. So let's wait a little bit more and see. So yeah, as I was saying, this is my second day hair, and I'm just using a paddle brush just to comb out any knots. So the product is basically made for second day hair. That's what they said. It's your perfect partner for second day styling. So I'm guessing like if you have straightened your hair before and then you wake up and it's a complete mess, it's something so simple and so easy to kind of glide your hair through. Glide your hair through, so you don't have to take out an entire hair straightener, wait for it to get off hot, and then, you know, go through it section by section. So like a normal, oh, there we go. So it's stopped breathing, the light stopped breathing, so I'm kind of guessing that it is hot. It feels pretty hot, especially against my face. So like with a normal hair straightener, you would normally section your hair off and then style it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna style all of this hair together. Okay, so I've decided to time this entire process just to see how quick and how easy it is to style my hair as straight as I want it to. So I'm gonna time it using my cell phone timer, not my calculator, my timer. I'm gonna put it on stopwatch and see more or less how long it's gonna take to get my hair to the straightening or to the styling that I'm happy with, and see how long that process takes from the get-go. So let's start this thing now. Ooh, I was worried. I was a little bit worried that it's going to burn my hair, but it has like these little ceramic things on top of, so if you do touch your scalp you don't burn, which I like because I'm always burning myself. The hair gets pretty hot, I'm not going to lie. So I'm using this technique now with the paddle brush, just kind of sweeping through my hair, because I've noticed my hair is starting to get a little bit hot to the fingers. So I'm trying not to burn myself, but I am trying to get that heat into my hair, or the styling into my hair, and it seems to be working pretty well. Okay, so I'm happy. Let's stop this. 6 minutes 27 seconds more or less is the straightness that I like it, which is pretty straight, although my ends aren't so pin straight as I would get them with a normal hair iron. Overall, I think it does a good job. I think you have to just be a little bit patient, especially when it comes to the ends. Let me just show you guys. This is my ends. If I did my ends with a hair straightener, it would be much straighter. I mean, this is perfect, especially if I put my hair up into a ponytail and I want like a finished, like sleek, straight hairstyle look. Like this would be so bomb for it. But I like that it's styled, if you know what I mean. I like that like the whole entire look is kind of finished, styled off. Fallout, I think you can say fallout is minus 10% what you would normally get on a hair straightener, because a hair straightener kind of clamps down onto your hair, and when you come to your ends and you have weak ends, it kind of breaks it off. So I think this is slightly more gentler on your hair. If you want that pin straight look, you're not going to get it with this GHD Glide. But like I said, it is great for second day hairstyling, especially if you're like quick on the go. I mean, it took me 6 minutes to go from what I looked like to this. The only thing I didn't like about this though is where the button is situated. I think it's really inconvenient, especially when you want to hold it. I kind of felt myself pressing the button a few times and I had to check if it's on, if it's still on. So that's the only thing that I can say that I don't like about it. What I really love about it is that it's got silicone bristles on top of the actual brush. So if you are putting it directly down onto your scalp, it's not going to burn your scalp at all. The hotter ionizers are inside the brush, so you don't get that heat as much onto your scalp as you would if you were going to put like the actual ionizers on your scalp, you would burn. You would definitely burn. So yeah, I kind of like it, hey? I think I have to play around with it a little bit more and see how that works. But I think if I'm putting my hair into a ponytail, I don't have to bun it now, because I can just really easily, you know, go through it. And yeah, as you saw, I used two different methods while straightening my hair. One was with the paddle brush. I used the paddle brush to kind of help me ease through my hair so that there's no knot when the GHD glide is gliding through my hair. And then I also used my hand. It's just slightly better, especially to control, especially if you want to go like out and get to your ends. You kind of want to use your hand, but it does get a little bit hot, so you might want to judge how much you can handle there. But yeah, I kind of like it, guys. What do you think? Happy with this GHD. I am gonna keep trying it, so if you guys want to know any updates, what I think or how I feel about this product, please follow me on Instagram, because whenever I do use it, I will give you guys like my tips and tricks to use it, like what other things it can do when I do figure it out the more I use it. But so far I would give the GHD Glide a 7 out of 10. Simply because, like I said, I don't like that it doesn't make a normal, like that on and off noise, or when a GHD comes on. And I don't like where the on and off button is situated. Yeah, I really don't like that it doesn't come completely straight, like your ends are still not 100% straight like you would get with a normal hair straightener. But other than that, I love it. We all know that GHD is a really trustworthy brand, and I think for it launching now in South Africa, you guys are gonna love it. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up. Next time I'm gonna remember to take my hairbands off my videos, because they're always in my videos. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a like, a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'm gonna be coming up with a lot more videos on hair, on beauty, skincare, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. I hope you guys will enjoy it. And yeah, I can't wait to grow this YouTube family of mine. It's been long overdue. But yeah, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm not going to say that again, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you then. Bye.